Good evening, this is Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Tonight I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2005 lifted Ford F-250 Super Duty. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let's see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. So I'm trying to fight the sun here. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing the videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has that lift on it. The running boards, the tow mirrors, the tinted windows, the rain guards. We'll get down on tire size here in just a moment. As you can see, it has the tow pack. And I believe, yeah, spray and Bedliner. Again, just want to get these angles here for you. We'll get down on tire size here in just a moment. This is a big truck. Has that chrome trim around it as well. Down here on tire size. Dang near new, if not new tires. Alright, we'll get to the inside condition and features. Sorry about that, guys. Decided to park their truck right there. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks, and then as you can see, it has a blue lighting that's in it there. Blue accent lighting, I guess it would be. Alright, let's get the condition of the seats here. We did just get this in, so I'm not sure if they're going to be repairing the seats. I imagine they probably will. Center console, third seat in the front row, but there are no rips or tears or anything. This definitely looks like it was used. It does have the WeatherTech type floor mats in it as well. I think that's a nice add, me personally. Alright, let's get some features up front. Let me stand up here. We got the steering wheel controls there. Aftermarket stereo. It does have the backup camera as well, so that's it's nice for this big guy. Four-wheel drive, factory tow assist. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. I'll be doing some reaching here, guys, so bear with me. Alright. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined. But I'm going to try to get this in here the best I can. I really am reaching here. All of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, Google reviews speak for themselves. There was mileage there. The door is ajar. There's mileage there, but as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Put it in reverse real quick. Oops, that's neutral. There we go. As you can see, it does have the backup camera there. Turn on some lights. Go back to the engine. There it is, turn along beautifully. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time.